Okay, say hi to our.
Hello everyone.
Okay.
Hey, welcome to Huidu Technology.
Can you introduce about your company?
Okay, we are the manufacturer of LED control system and LED LCD digital signage, Android controller, and we provide control software and CML system. Okay, let me introduce our solution.
Okay, let's go.
This is our LED poster solution. This is the LED poster control solution. We support automatically splicing through HDMI connection. And the software is based on Windows system. And the operation is easy. And we support a loading capacity more than 5.2 million pixels.
So it's more convenient. We don't need to post print every time.
Okay.
Just use the
Yeah. If you need a small, you need one poster. You can use one. Is okay. If you need a more standard poster, you can connect it then one by one through the HDMI cable.
It can be used outdoor or only indoor.
Outdoor or indoor, both are available. Okay. Okay. And this is our complete series of asynchronous control card. This is a receiving card.
Receiving card. This one.
This is asynchronous control card. This is based on Android or Linux system. The system is very stable and the software operation is easy. And all the controller is equipped with Wi-Fi. You can use the mobile application and or Windows software and or even the cloud system to control them. And you can manage the device and send the content through the cloud or the laptop.
Amazing. I never seen this before.
Okay, let's go. Yeah.
Next part.
And this is, as you see, this is a LED cube.
Yes.
Yeah, and they are displayed one video synchronization. Yes. And we for this solution we made a special software mobile application, LED cube. You can download from the App Store and Google Store. Yeah.
If you download that, you can.
Yeah, you can.
Edit the picture you want.
Yeah, you can add the video or picture or the other content like animation and or some scrolling test. Yeah.
What usually for this? Usually for the
It's usually for the shop.
shop. Okay, shop.
yeah.
I think maybe the home.
Yeah.
Welcome home.
Yeah.
And put my picture on there.
Yes. Let's go.
Okay. That's convenient if you can connect with the app.
And this is our solution for the meeting display. And we use before for the meeting display, LCD and LED display. Maybe you need two or more devices. But in our solution, we use one device. This is our device. This is HH Smart Media Player. It's based on Android system, Android 11, and is open system. You can install the third-party APK from you can download from Google Store or from any other app store.
It helps the
Yeah.
companies
Yes.
more efficiently.
And is with rich input and output interface. Yeah, like USB and HDMI loop, and also there are some interface for the other device like the audio and the relay.
It
Yes.
seems like we can use this for
Yeah.
all the occasion in the office.
In this solution, we use one device for the whole meetings display. And
Yes.
also this part supports other function like screen projection and yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Sharing.
And the loading capacity of this device is 5.2 million pixels. Yes.
It looks so great.
Okay, thank you.
What else you want to show us?
Okay, this way.
Please. Yeah. Oh, control system.
This is our LCD display control system. We provide complete series product from 2K to 4K LCD panel controller.
So far, which one is the best seller?
They are different according to the different application scenarios. For some application scenarios, they need maybe easy performance of the CPU, like this small one. It's for small. It's like the mobile phone. The performance of the CPU is just for the normal application scenarios. For you can play 2K video and image, and for the high-end performance, we have other like this. This is based on Rock chip RK3399F solution. Is with a powerful CPU and support 4K hardware decoding. Yes, and equipped with.
It's the first time I've seen this.
Yeah.
I always seen the screen, but I never see the inside of things.
The equipped with 4K LCD, 2K LCD panel interface LVDS.
Okay, basically you can solve the different question. You can, our customer have any needs, you can help them.
And for our LCD display control solution, we not just provide the hardware, we also provide the free CMS system. You can download our application from the App Store, and also we have our cloud system.
Okay, well, that's amazing. Okay, what else you want to tell us?
This way, let me introduce our cloud system.
Okay, cloud system. Cloud system is very popular recently, right?
This is our cloud system. For our cloud solution, we can control LED display and also LCD display, because in some application scenarios there is not only LED display, also LCD poster or LCD wall. So in our cloud solution, we can use one system to control both of them, and you can and the operation is easy. We may need 5 steps. Oh yeah. First step, you just need to register an account from our cloud web, and then make your device or your LCD display access to the internet. Then you can upload the materials you want to send it to the screen.
Okay.
Then you can add the program. Then last step, just
So
one click to send the other video or images. Yeah.
It seems like I can do it also.
Yeah, you can do it. It's very easy.
Yeah, I can tell it's really
The software is very user friendly.
So your technology help people to do things better.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you. What else you want to show us?
And this way, please.
Okay. We can see a lot about Huidu technology.
Thank you. This way.
Okay, this way.
This is our video processor. This is a 2-in-1 video processor, and this is the front panel. This is you can use the button to switch the video input, and you can also switch the video resource. Let's go to the back front view panel. Yeah.
What is used for?
This is output. This is input. Yeah. For input, we can connect with HDMI, 2K or 4K. Yeah. We can input 2K or 4K video from the laptop, from the camera. Yeah. And this is output to the LED screen. Yeah. If we connect like this camera with HDMI or SDI, we can display the video synchronization on the LED display. Yes. Yeah. This is 2-in-1 video processor.
The devices help people to display the things, videos on the screen.
Yeah. And this is the video stabilizer for the big screen with ultra resolution. Yeah. This is with flexible input and output. This is the input. This is the input card. This is output output sending card. is flexible. You can choose different input card and different quantity of sending card according to your screen resolution and application scenarios.
Thank you for your sharing. Okay, we have the last question.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have something you want to share with us about this ISLE exhibition?
And our Huidu technology focus on the LED control system and the LCD digital signage Android controller and the CMS system more than 16 years, and we will keep going on to provide innovative products and software, and we will make provide more better service to our customer.
Okay, thank you very much for sharing. Thank you very much.
Thank you.